Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to presentation group 3. Let me introduce our slide. I am Mia Haryati.
I am Muhammad Randy.
The purpose of this presentation is to communicate ideas in learning or present a product that has been produced.
Explanation text. An explanation text is a non-fiction text that is used to describe how or why things happen. It usually includes a sequence of events explaining how and provides reason for a process or a phenomena why.
Types of explanation text. 1. Sequential explanation that describe natural and non-natural phenomena, for example, proof system. 2. Cause and effects text explanation text that link cause and effects, explaining how and why an event occurring, for example, landslide. For example, the sequential proof is digestive system.
While theoretical studies of the timing of case width find in complex life cycle, such as hatching and metamorphosis, have stressed the importance of considering multiple stages. Most empirical work has focused on a single life stage. However, the relationship between the fitness components of different life stages might be complex. Ontogenetic switch points such as hatching and metamorphosis do not represent new beginning. Choreographer effect across stage can arise when environmental effect on the density and orthosis of early ontogenetic state subsequently after mortality or growth in later stage. In this study, it examined the effect of egg and larval stage predators on larva performance at metamorphosis.
Spinigularis clutches in the field to estimate how much egg stage predation reduced in the input of tadpoles into the fund. 18 conducted experiment to determine 1. How reduction in initial larval density due to egg predators affect larval survival and mass and egg at metamorphosis in the presence and absence of aquatic larval predators, dragonfly larva, and 2. How differences in mass or egg at metamorphosis rising from predation in the embryonic and larval environments affect encounters with post-metamorphotic predators. Fishing spider reduction in larval densities due to egg predation tended to increase per capita larva survival, decrease larval duration, and increase mass at metamorphosis.
Landslides are events in which land movement occur due to the mass movement of rock or large clumps of land. The cause of the landslide itself is classified into two, namely the driving factor and trigger factor. The driving factor is a factor that affects the condition of the material. While the trigger factor is the factor that cause the material to move. How can landslide occur? In core country Indonesia, landslides are not a new natural phenomenon. Some regions have even been subscribed to this landslide. Landslide can be caused by natural factor and social factor. The natural factor that caused the occurrence of landslide was quite high rainfall, which resulted in the soil becoming eroded, which made it inherently steep so that landslide occur. Besides, it could also be caused by an earthquake that trigger shift in rock which cause landslide.
We use the social factor that cause landslide. It can be done by planting trees in steep places because the trees, especially the roots, can absorb rainwater, so they can anticipate or minimize the occurrence of this landslide. Landslides are indeed one of the most dangerous natural disasters. The occurrence of this landslide is very fast and it is difficult to avoid if we are in the places of the landslide. For this reason, it is necessary to take precautionary measures, one of which is planting trees in places prone the landslide and avoiding the places prone the landslide as much as possible.